It's out there, lurking in the dark, which hasn't yet unfound. Come along and experience the journey with the Cache
Hello, this is the Cache Caver, Brian Dickey. Today just going on a hike to do some ridge flying up a little bit higher off in some of the mountains to the east of North Logan in Utah. Just gonna go see what I can see. The ridge, and I'm heading up to that cliff that's behind me, but it's so far been a great hike. Not very hot, pretty nice. Don't know if I'll find anything or not, but we'll see. I'm hopeful. The wind is, there's a light breeze but nothing really strong, so I'm hopeful they'll be able to fly. As far as I'm going to be going on this hike, at the turnaround point, about 6,400 feet elevation, I guess, come up a little less than 2,000 feet. Don't really want to go through the snow up into the mountains, so I'm just going to do a little flying from here. The wind, of course, has just barely started to pick up a little, but I still think it's okay. I'll probably just go down this hill a little bit. There's a cliff band across the canyon that I might take a look at. was fun. I was really surprised. I think I may have just found a cave back in these cliffs near the ravine. I found something. I'll show you the footage and we'll see. It is hard to tell how deep it was from the little phone, so it'll be interesting to see what it is once I get back and look at it on the computer and full resolution. But I was pretty excited. I really honestly didn't expect to find any cave at all. I just thought I'd have fun flying a drone. So bonus. Hopefully it turns out to something. The other neat thing is it shouldn't be too hard to get to. I won't be able to get to it today, and if I go to it, I don't really want to go to it all by myself, because if it's a nice big cave, which I kind of doubt, but if it is, it'll be too hard of a temptation to resist going in it very far. So best if I have someone with me. So I'm off the mountain now. You know, it's interesting. I remember when I first started looking for caves and first started caving, that I would really enthusiastic and really optimistic that you know, I'd be up in the mountains and I'd see some sort of dip in the terrain and I'd get it all excited that, oh, certainly there's a cave. Well, oftentimes became really disappointed just because there aren't really that many caves, and finding one's really kind of a treat when it happens. But I think as looking for caves, you also have the tendency to get a little bit too pessimistic, and so you won't even look. I think today's kind of an example of where pessimism can be a problem. Really, the only reason that I went looking at a cliff was more of just because I had a battery left in my drone. I didn't really expect to find anything, just because the cliff didn't look to me like it would, you know, that it could harbor anything, that it was just a flat, kind of broken up sort of deal. And I was really quite surprised that I found any sort of opening at all. And I think it just goes to show that we need to be careful when we're kind of setting the rules of where caves are, because I think oftentimes that'll rule out actual caves. So go on ahead, be optimistic, and look anyway, because I mean, why not, right? I mean, are there going to be caves everywhere you look? No, certainly not. But if you don't look, you won't find, that's for sure. So keep looking, and I hope you're lucky.